Good morning, my dear students. Today we will continue together Lesson 2, Properties of Light, Part 2. Today is Tuesday, 12th of May. It's the session number 13, done by Dr. Marie to grade 6. Last time we were talking about how light travels, and we know that the light travels in a straight line in the form of electromagnetic waves. Today we will know together how does matter interact with light. Matter, like solid, liquid or gas, interacts with light in different ways. The matter may be transparent materials or translucent materials or opaque materials. Look at these three different cups. One of them is transparent, one of them is translucent, and the third one is opaque. So we will talk together about transparent materials. Transparent materials allow all the light to pass through, so they transmit all the light that passed through it. From the examples of the transparent materials, like eyeglasses, transmit or allow all the light to pass, so we can see through the eyeglasses. The windows allow all light to pass through. Glass cup allow all the light to pass through, so we can see the content of the glass cup, like water, milk, juice, whatever. Lens, the lens, of course, we use the lens to magnify the image or to make the image as clear, so it allow all the light to pass. A piece of glass that transmit or allow all the light to pass through, and this is a glass cup. So these materials are transparent materials. Number 2, translucent materials. What about translucent materials? Translucent material, they allow some light to pass through. They transmit some light, but not all the light. Like what? Examples like paper, plastic bags, plastic cup. Look at these plastic bags, they are translucent. Why? Because they transmit some light, but they don't allow all the light to pass. So these materials are called translucent materials. The third material, they are opaque materials. Opaque material, they don't allow any light to pass through. When any source of light fall on opaque material, like wood, table, chair, wall, whatever, the wood will not allow any light to pass. So this is called opaque. They either absorb the light or reflect the light. We will know tomorrow, inshallah, what the meaning of reflection of light. And from the examples of opaque material, wall, as I said, book, bowl, tree, all of these materials and more are opaque materials that they don't allow any light to pass. But what happened to the light that don't pass through the opaque material? They form something called shadow. So what are shadows? A shadow is a dark area, black area. It produced by opaque material. When the opaque material block the passage of light. So what is shadow? Is a dark area produced by opaque object or opaque material that blocks the passage of light. When the light falls on this human is opaque. So the human absorb light. But because of this human that blocks the passage of light, so shadow is formed. And as we said last time that the light travels in a straight line, so we can trace this shadow by forming a straight line. So the shadows formed from the blocking of passage of light by an opaque material. By this light, we finished our session today. Thank you so much, my beloved students. See you soon. Goodbye. Dr. Marie was with you.